everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about one of the Mumbai's most iconic ultra-luxury sea-facing development, and the name of this project is the Imperial Worli by D&A Realty. Located at Worli Sea Face, in this video we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. So the Imperial Worli is a landmark ultra-luxury residential tower situated at one of the Mumbai's most prestigious addresses, Worli Sea Face. The project brings together modern architecture, premium design and exclusive sea view living to create a truly iconic offering. It is specially designed for buyers who value privacy, space and a high-end lifestyle. Now let's take a look at the key highlight of the project. So it features a basement plus ground plus 32-story structure with a grand double-height entrance lobby that sets the tone of luxury right from the start. The project includes 12 levels of car lift podium parking, ensuring convenience and exclusivity. A dedicated swimming pool is located on the 13th floor, while residential levels begin from the 14th floor onwards. All residences are designed to offer ultra-exclusive sea view, enhancing the overall living experience. Talking about the location and connectivity, so the project is located at Worli Sea Face, one of the Mumbai's most premium and sought-after coastal location. From here, you get excellent connectivity across the city. Haji Ali is just about 5 minutes away, while the Worli Ceiling and Coastal Road are approximately 2 minutes from the project. The key business districts like BKC and Nariman Point are reachable within about 25 minutes away, and this location offers seamless access to both South Mumbai and the major commercial hub, making it ideal for both end users and investors. Talking about the amenities and lifestyle, so the Imperial Worli offers a refined vertical ultra-luxury lifestyle experiences. The residences are sea-facing and come with a large private deck, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted view of the Worli Sea Face. The 13th floor swimming pool adds to the elevated lifestyle, while the double-height grand lobby creates a strong first impression. Overall, it delivers a boutique luxury living experience with a panoramic sea view and limited residences. Talking about the pricing and configuration, so the project offers expansive and thoughtfully designed layout. Simplex residences come with approx 3,341 square feet, while duplex residences go up to approximately 6,682 square feet. Floor options include duplex bed-shell units on the 23rd and 24th and 25th and 26th floors, and fully furnished duplex residences on the 28th and 29th floor. Pricing starts from approximately 1,50,000 rupees per square feet onwards. Expansive layout, private deck and uninterrupted sea view positions this project among the most premium offering in Mumbai's luxury segment. The Imperial Worli offers a highly limited number of ultra-luxury residences, which makes it an exclusive opportunity for selected buyers. Worli Sea Face itself is one of the rarest and most prestigious micro-market in Mumbai, especially for sea-facing home. So if you are looking for an iconic address, an ultra-luxury lifestyle and unmatched sea view in Mumbai, then this project is definitely worth considering. For brochure, pricing details or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such ultra-luxury property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developer for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.